This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on an Infiniti QX70. We thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the cabin air filter. Pull the glove box away from the vehicle, then reach over here and disengage this side cable. Lower the glove box. Pry down this lower cover. Remove 7 Phillips head screws. Then you can pull this housing away from the vehicle. Reach back here and disconnect the wiring. Then press the tab on this connector and pull it out. Reach up for the access cover. Pry up this tab and pivot the cover off. Now you can remove your air filter. The airflow arrow will point down. Next, we're going to show you how to access and remove your fog light bulb. Turn the wheel for better access. Remove 2 Phillips head screws from the wheel well lining. Pry the side trim away from the vehicle, then pull back the lining. Reach in here for the bulb assembly. Turn the fog light assembly and pull it out. Here's your bulb. Pry back on the back tab, then you can pull the bulb out. And finally, let's show you how to change the rear turn signal light. Open the hatch to begin. Remove this panel to access the 2 bolts. Remove 2 10mm bolts from the housing. Pry the bulb housing away from the vehicle, then pull it out. Reach behind it for the bulb assembly. Disengage the wiring on the back of the bulb assembly. Turn the assembly and pull it out. Pull out the bulb to remove it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.